I'm gonna show you how to make one of the best Halal Cart chicken and rice. Hey salam, I hope you guys are well. Halal Chef is back for another video, and this time I'm making Halal Cart chicken and rice. I'm gonna serve this chicken and rice with a green and a spicy sauce. Trust me, you're really gonna enjoy it. Without further ado, let's get started. Halal Chef presents. Let's start with our marinade for the chicken. It with 1 chipotle pepper, garlic cloves, 1 chicken stock cube, touch of foil, and we're gonna turn this into a paste. And this is exactly what you're looking for, just set aside. Grab a bowl in with the yogurt, it with the paste, good touch of freshly grounded black pepper, it with smoked paprika, of course some of the cayenne pepper, freshly ground allspice, it with the onion powder, some of this dried garlic powder as well, it with the cumin powder, and some of this dried oregano. You could use thyme, good touch of salt in there, it with the white distilled vinegar. And you want to finish this off with a good touch of oil. Give that a really good mix until the sauce is emulsified. I love the color on that marinade. You can really smell that chipotle paste, the smoked paprika. It's gonna be amazing. Have a little taste and adjust any seasoning if you need to. Here I'm using full chicken legs. You could also use chicken thighs instead. If you notice, I've added some cuts to the chicken so we can marinate it down to the bone. Now give this a really good mix with your hands. You can use the chicken with or without skin, but leaving the skin over will keep it more juicy. And really massage the marinade onto that chicken. Now it will be best if you can leave the chicken to marinate for at least 3 hours. Let the chicken really absorb those spices. Trust me, it's gonna be so delicious. Once the chicken has been marinated for a few hours, we're gonna start placing it into this oven tray. All the leftover marinade goes onto the chicken. Just a little bit more seasoning on the top and a light touch of oil. Now this goes into a preheated oven at 200 Celsius, and we're gonna let this cook for around 45 to 50 minutes until the internal temperature has reached 75 Celsius or 165 Fahrenheit. You could also char grill or barbecue this chicken. For the rice I'm using basmati. You want to soak them in lukewarm water for at least 25 to 30 minutes and then wash a few times to remove the excess starch and then drain off the excess water. First of all, thinly slice the onions. For every cup of rice it's best to use 1 onion. Make a paste of garlic, ginger. The ginger is roughly around the size of my thumb. Alright guys, for the spices I'm using a white pepper, a good touch of red chili, cumin powder, cardamom for a very nice aroma, cloves powder, good touch of this freshly grounded black pepper, and finally some salt. Now give that a really good mix and set aside for later use. Alright, so we'll go have our rice, our spices, our onions, our ginger garlic paste. I'm also going to use some of this tomato puree and some of this food color which has been dissolved in water. Hey, I'm gonna pause this really quick to talk about today's sponsor, FlexiSpot E8 Standing Desk, which is a product I actually use every day in my life. Incorporating a standing desk in your daily work routine is great for the health, especially for your neck and back. With FlexiSpot E8 Desk, I can switch from sitting to standing in seconds. This desk features 2 robust motors that enable smooth, easy transitions, and it has a weight capacity of up to 120 kilograms. With the preset options, I just press 1 button and the desk raises to my chosen height to enable me to stand and work, and I can always reverse this when I'm ready to work seated. With the integrated USB port, I can connect and charge the devices, and the same ports can power up desk lights, fan, etc. There's also an anti-collision system and child lock button to lock the up-down feature. With the included cable management, all the cables are tucked away, makes the design look more sleek. The all-natural bamboo surface is twice the durability and elasticity of an ordinary wood, and it is water resistant and scratch proof. I love the modern design. It blends in perfectly with the rest of the structure, and the standing feature reduces the risk of shoulder and back pain and gives you more space to relax. If you need a premium quality desk with a standing feature that will last you years to come, then check out the E8 Standing Desk. I will leave the link in the description below. Thank you FlexiSpot for sponsoring this video, and let's get back to cooking. Alright, let's get cooking. Turn up the heat to on medium high with a good touch of oil. When the oil is nice and hot, we're gonna throw in our onions. Give that a really good mix, and we're looking for a golden brown color on those onions. Leave the onions covered for a few minutes so we can soften them up. If you see anything is burning, you can always deglaze with a touch of water with your ginger garlic paste. Deglaze with a touch of water. And now I'm going to cover for a few seconds to kill the smell of that garlic. And I'm with your tomato puree, and you want to cook the rawness of that puree as well. Again, please deglaze if needed. Oh man, things are about to get hot in here. These rice are going to be amazing. And I'm with your spices. Light touch of water again, and you want to cook the rawness of those spices. And I'm with the lamb stock. You could use chicken stock instead, and you want to bring this to simmer. And once it starts to simmer, I'm going to throw in our rice. Make sure to use good quality basmati rice. Give that a mix and let it cook until there is some water left. Also, this is the best time to check for any seasoning. Again, it will be best to leave it covered. Let's check this. And when there's some water left, as you can see, I'm gonna throw in our food color on the top. Place a clean kitchen cloth on the top, place your lid, and we're gonna let this steam off for around 13 to 15 minutes on low heat. Alright guys, let's take a look. Bismillah. Just turn off the heat. Oh, the rice look amazing. I'm just gonna fluff these up. And I'm gonna garnish the rice with some of this sumac and some of this fresh coriander. Alright guys, let's try this. One of the best Halal Cart style rice that you're gonna try. Bismillah. These are so delicious. To make our green sauce, same with the fresh coriander, garlic cloves, thin green chilies, and some water. Now cover and blend this until the mixture is nice and smooth. Now grab a bowl and you want to throw in the yogurt. Here goes some of the mayonnaise. We're gonna season this with freshly grounded black pepper, some of the sugar, citric acid, here with the distilled white vinegar, or you could use lime juice instead. Here with our blended mixture, and finally salt to taste. Now give that a really good mix until everything is well combined. Of course, have a little taste and adjust any seasoning if you need to. Our delicious green sauce. Done. The sauce is so fresh, has a bit of kick to it. Amazing. Our mouth-watering Halal Cart chicken. Done. Oh, it looks so delicious. One of the best juicy chicken that you're gonna try. Alright guys, let's plate this open with your rice. Here with your delicious chicken. I'm gonna garnish it with some of these toasted almonds, some fresh coriander, and with some of the spicy sauce from the previous video, our mouth-watering green sauce. You can also serve it with some of the salad. Our mouth-watering Halal Cart chicken and rice. Done. It looks so delicious. Alright guys, I'm gonna try this. It looks so delicious. I'm just gonna try the rice first with some of that sauce. Doesn't that look amazing? Bismillah. Wow, that is so mouth-watering. The crunchiness from those almonds, a really nice sauce on the rice. The rice are perfectly cooked and the sauce is just... Alright, let's try the chicken now. Falls off the bone. Just have a look at this. Bismillah. Wow, that is amazing. The chicken is so flavorful, trust me, you're really gonna enjoy it. This is one of the best Halal Cart chicken and rice that you're gonna try. I must say the flavor is well balanced between the chicken and rice. It is so good. I really hope you guys gonna enjoy this. Can we please get this video to 5,000 likes? I would really appreciate it. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe, make sure you like. Inshallah, see you next time. Until then, salam. Make for your mom, make for your dad, make for your family. Enjoy.